Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, we're vlogging today. I did my skincare this morning. I used my LED mask and now I'm just getting ready, and I wanted to pause that and just come on here really quick and start the vlog. If you are new here, my name is Amanda. I post a bunch of different stuff on my channel. I do product reviews, lifestyle routines, vlogs. It's kind of just whatever I'm in the mood for and what I want to share. But yeah, welcome to my channel. And so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an upload, and always turn on the bell so you're notified every time I post a video. I'm gonna finish my makeup, we're gonna go make some food, and then we're gonna see what this day brings. Okay, we are gonna go on a bike ride. So I just changed into some leggings and a sweatshirt I just put on over top of the same shirt that I had on before, because it is decently warm, but once you get biking the wind is cold, so I figured I would just wear this and I should be fine. This is the first bike ride of the season, so I'm super excited. I feel like this helmet isn't on right.
Can you tighten the back part?
I mean, it's tight, but it just seems, gosh, I need a bang trim. I'm gonna get my backpack on and we're gonna go. Oh my god.
Good, let me hit it.
No. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Should we go down there a little ways? Okay. That is a big dog. Hey guys, we just got back from our bike ride. It started to thunder, so we cut our ride short, and it was starting to sprinkle when we just got back, so yes, we're back now. I'm going to put some of my footage on the computer. I had a really bad thing happen with my memory card this morning. Thank goodness nothing was on it that I actually needed. I turned my camera on and it said memory card error, so I literally had to reformat my whole card, so all of what was on my card was completely deleted. Like I said, nothing was lost. I didn't need anything on there, but I mean, that just like freaks me out. So now I've been importing my footage as I go. I'm thinking we're gonna make something for food or have leftovers. Not sure yet, but I'm getting kind of hungry. Also, put my hair back in a bun. naturally. It's always in a bun. It's always in a bun. I'm trying my hardest to leave it down, but I need a trim so badly, which I will be scheduling an appointment with my hairstylist hopefully soon. Not sure what I want done yet. Not sure if I'm gonna have her do like a balayage type, what I had done last time, or if I should just get it a trim and continue to let it grow out. I have no idea. I'm thinking I'm gonna take a shower and then possibly do a face mask. I'm testing out a new face mask and I don't want to talk about it yet because I'm gonna do a whole review on it, but I do want to wear it a good amount of times before I actually sit down and do a full review. So I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna get my face all clean, and then I'm going to apply that face mask, I do believe. But yeah, let's get clean. All right, so my shower is done. I just applied my face mask. It's after 6, so I'm just gonna start chilling out for the night, probably make another tea, and I might have a little snack, like some popcorn or something like that. We were talking about possibly renting the movie It, the one that came out like 4 years ago, to watch because I've not seen it. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. That will be my night. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. It was really fun. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not already. And as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.